the terrifying Withered Chica from Five Nights at Freddy's. So all the wires and all that kind of stuff. So let's try it. Landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We start maybe with the beak. So we just start in the middle, right? So it kind of like points upwards in the center. Up and down. Okay. And then this orange beak continues down, curves out a bit, down like that. Curves out and down. And then it comes around the front. So we'll go this way. You could have like just like a little section there for where the beak kind of points out from, because it is a bird technically, so there's some little sections. You got nostril lines here. Above that then we have the eyes. So they're kind of like, they're an odd shape. They're kind of turned like an egg sort of shape, really, turned sideways. So it goes like around. It's not a perfect circle. It's kind of an oval egg shape. Okay, kind of like that, like leaning in. And then the other one's pretty much the same. So we go around. Like so. Then the white eyeball is in there. So we curve it around, leave a little gap for the black part of the eye, then around that. So there, and then we go around again. That's all black around it, so you might as well color it while you're here. Sometimes you see wires inside, but not all the time. Okay, then big pink eyes, so just like a circle just in here. If you have a stencil for circles or something that helps you, like a coin or something to draw around, feel free to use it. No shame in that at all. Otherwise, just try go for a circle in the eye. And then the pupil, they're actually like glowing white pupils. You could do them black if you wanted. I might do them glowing, like freaky weird. Okay. So his eyebrows, just up and down. And they're actually black as well. So he's got a little bit of an edge line around his eye sockets. So it's just like an extra little edge line just here. Just makes his eyes look like they go in, down and in. Just a little extra line. If you want to do it, you can. You don't have to. So then the top part of the head, so the yellow part kind of comes down this way. And then it'll go all the way around. So we'll curve gradually up around the head. And then he has 3 sort of flower petal like pieces of hair. A little thing like that. And then another here. You could like scratch him up, you know, because it's Withered Chica, so he's kind of dirty. Not in his prime state of life. So his bottom jaw, so he's kind of held together with a little sort of disc or something here. Maybe it's just a wire or a piece of metal or something. And then this will curve down this way. And then it meets sort of an orange part of his mouth. So like, I guess it's the bottom of the beak. Curving down. Around there. And then we get like in here, so we got like the orange part. And then there's like a row of teeth and a row of teeth on top. So we do maybe the teeth just on this side first. There's like 3 of them together here. And then they start to separate out a bit. So kind of just little boxes. You can kind of see the tops and the sides of them there. Another one. And then you can see sort of the orange line in behind. Then the teeth on top, there's kind of more of them. They're kind of closer together. So you could just kind of do this. You know, just... And then there's 2 more layers of teeth. So there's like a little silver top thing here, like a bar. And it seems to go into the roof of his mouth there. And then there's teeth hanging down this way. And there's a bottom layer of teeth. So another sort of silver bar here. And then more teeth inside. Square teeth. And some go up the back actually as well. And then there's like a little sort of curved line in there. So then we get like lines of wires like hanging down side of his mouth. Or her mouth, I'm not sure. Chica is supposed to be male or female. So, but there's just all these wires coming down this way. Chica. Chica is like a female word, right? Spanish. So all those colored wires in there. Do as many as you'd like. like put some scratches on the beak and maybe in the mouth even. Just make it more withered. So we got like let's eat sort of written in kind of bubble writing on the body. So let's try. So we'll go down this way for the side of the body. It's kind of a bit of a hole for the armpit. So it's kind of like black shadow in there. So his arms kind of come out from this area. So say like another there. And then the belly sort of goes around this way. And then we have a bib. And then legs, right? So he's got like a different section that connects the legs together. It's like the midsection like this, bumping up and down. And then the legs sort of come out and down this way. A few more room, you could finish all the way down with the legs, but this is all I can fit in. And this leg is kind of like withered. So is this one, I guess. It's got like gaps in the animatronic leg, and then a socket with some pipes. Scratch him up. And I guess we got to draw the let's eat thing. It's kind of tricky to do bubble lettering, so we'll just give it our best sort of shot. You could probably do it better than me, but let's try our best. So it's kind of just this round sort of. And of course, there's all purple and pink and stuff around it as well. That's why I'm sort of leaving these gaps. And like exclamation points. Let's eat. Creepy. And then the arms. So we've got a couple of sections to the arms. So we got like the shoulder plate. And then like a ball and socket joint here. Some lines that go around. And then we got some holes, like just black. If you want, you can draw some wires inside. Some of them are red. And then just like black around, really. And then his forearm. Or her forearm. I'm sure someone will tell me in the comments anyway. If it's he or her. And then there's some holes in this as well, just like random shapes. And there's all wires coming down here, but I'll do the other arm first so we can do it all together. And then we get another ball and socket joint. Then a withered arm. there's like something like longer or something in here. It's like silver. Some pipes, and then the withered arm going down this way. Scratch them up, especially the yellow parts. They're really dirty, you know. And then it's just wires coming out of the arms. So like you can do this, you can do as many of these as you'd like, really. It's worth doing like just 2 at first, and then like just start filling them in then until you're happy with how much they overlay one another. And same on the other side. Just sort of wiggly worm type shapes. And then we fill in our gaps. Like so. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Withered Chica. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.